Welcome, in front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you what to do if your device freezes. So first of all, let's identify the reason of your device freezing and also check if your device is frozen fully or partially. So let's pretend that I suspect this application to cause my device's freezing. In such case, simply use the combination of CTRL ALT DELETE buttons, CTRL ALT DEL keys, press them three of them at the same time, and if you see a screen like that, that means that your device is probably only frozen partially, and in such case tap Task Manager option, then to close the application that you suspect causing your device's freezing, right click on it and select End Task, and this will close the application and your laptop should start working normally again. Now if this didn't happen, then your device is probably frozen fully, and in such case press and hold the power key for about 10 seconds until the lights on your keyboard disappear from each key that has light on the keyboard, and then to restart it, just press power button once again and your device should restart and should return back to normal. Now if your device didn't turn off when you've been holding the power key, then in such case simply unplug the charging cable from your device and then let it rest for a while until it fully discharges, and only after that will you be able to plug in the charging cable to your device and turn on your device once again and return it back to life. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.